Hello, design lovers. Welcome back to Aesthetic Nest. Imagine walking through a small gate and suddenly feeling the rest of the world just disappear. That's the magic we're creating today. We've all seen standard fences that feel like cages, but a secret hideaway needs something more intentional. It's about creating a boundary that feels like a hug, not a wall. Today, I'm showing you how to turn a small courtyard into a high-end retreat using fencing that breathes. We're moving beyond the basic wooden slat and looking at textures that play with light. I've selected 5 unique concepts that balance complete privacy with an airy, sophisticated aesthetic. Whether you have a tiny urban nook or a side yard that's currently just dead space, these ideas will help you claim it back. By the end of this, you'll see your outdoor space through an entirely different lens. Part 1. The living wall, texture and life. Our first concept is the breathing green boundary, instead of a solid surface. We're using a slim profile black steel frame with integrated cedar vertical slats. The trick here is the spacing, just enough to let a breeze through, but tight enough to keep curious eyes out. We then soften the entire structure with climbing jasmine or ivy. It creates a blurred edge that makes a small space feel much larger than it actually is. From a design perspective, a living wall reduces ambient noise, making your hideaway feel even more secret. It's a sensory experience where the scent of the plants hits you before you even sit down. We aren't just building a fence, we're planting an ecosystem that matures with your home. It's elegant, it's timeless, and it provides that lush, boutique hotel vibe right in your backyard. Part 2. Horizontal Zen, the art of the slat. Next, let's talk about horizontal rhythm. Traditional fences are vertical, which can often feel like they're chopping the height of your home. By switching to thin, horizontal IP or tick slats with deep shadow gaps, we draw the eye along the perimeter. This creates an optical illusion of width, making a narrow courtyard feel expansive and modern. It's a favorite trick in high-end minimalist architecture. To keep this from looking too clinical, we vary the widths of the wood. This barcode effect adds a layer of visual interest that keeps the eye moving. When the sun hits these horizontal lines, the shadows they cast on your courtyard floor become a piece of art in themselves. It's a simple change that shifts the mood from functional barrier to architectural feature. Part 3. Translucent layers, the glow effect. If your courtyard is particularly dark, a solid fence is your worst enemy. This is where we introduce frosted light panels. By framing panels of sandblasted glass or high-quality polycarbonate within a matte charcoal frame, you get 100% privacy without losing a drop of natural light. During the day, the panels glow with a soft, ethereal light that illuminates your plants and seating area. The real magic happens at night. If you place soft LED uplighting behind these translucent panels, your entire fence becomes a giant outdoor lamp. It provides a warm, ambient glow that makes the space feel cozy and expensive. It's perfect for those who want a secret hideaway that feels just as inviting at midnight as it does at noon. This is sophisticated design at its most functional. Part 4. Reclaimed elegance, the woven willow. For a look that feels more organic and found, consider modern woven willow. This isn't the rustic garden fencing you might be thinking of. We're talking about hand-woven hazel or willow branches set into a crisp, modern frame of dark metal. This juxtaposition of the wild organic texture and the strict man-made frame creates a stunning focal point. It feels like a secret garden in the heart of the city. This style of fencing is incredibly effective at breaking up the wind, creating a microclimate in your courtyard that's perfect for delicate ferns or a morning coffee spot. The texture is so rich that you don't need much else in terms of decor. It's a sustainable, beautiful way to create a sanctuary that feels connected to the earth. It tells a story of craftsmanship and quiet luxury. Creating a secret hideaway isn't about the square footage. It's about the feeling of being protected and inspired. Any of these fencing ideas can transform a forgotten corner into your favorite room in the house. Remember, the best design is the one that makes you want to linger a little longer and breathe a little deeper. I hope these ideas have sparked some creative energy for your own aesthetic nest journey. Before you start digging, take a moment to watch how the light moves through your courtyard throughout the day. That's the secret ingredient to a truly successful outdoor space. If you found these ideas helpful, let me know which style resonated with you the most in the comments. I'd love to hear about your projects. Until next time, keep designing spaces that make you feel at home.